Dear teachers and my colleagues, I am very happy to meet you all through this medium. I am here to give a feedback about innovative Pathshala training which was conducted by Sri Aurobindo Society. I am Sarvanan from Karaikal. I am working as a primary school teacher in RMASP Government High School, Karaikal Medu. I have completed my master degree in mathematics and diploma in teacher education. I have 11 years of service in teaching, in which 4 years I have worked in private school and 7 years in government service. I'm still learning to be a better teacher. My district is Karaikal, which comes under the Union Territory of Puducherry. Karaikal is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east and all other sides by the state of Tamil Nadu. Karaikal is famous for many holy places. Temples like Karaikalamaya Temple, Sanishwara Temple, all Navagraha temples, Tirukadayu Temple are in and around the Karaikal. Velangani, Nagudurga, and a Dutch fort which is called Tranquebar or Tarangambadi is also near the Karaikal. One who likes peace can surely come and stay in Karaikal. Karaikal is a land of peace. My school is situated on the coastal area of Karaikal, that is Karaikal Medu. Parents feel hard to look after their children's studies. So it is a sole responsibility of a teacher to take care of our children. Because evening only both the parents and children will return home. Due to the corona lockdown, the crisis become more tougher. So our duty is much harder than before. Children left their studies in the mid of the academic year. So the teachers need to push what next. So we had no other option. Only option is to conduct online classes. Starting the online classes is not that easier because in the daytime parents will not available at the home. So they may take off their smartphones with them. The children may not have the smartphone with them. Conducting online classes regularly. I created my own videos. I sent to the children through WhatsApp. The children responded wholeheartedly. At first, it was very tough. Later, the children understand the what situation and there is no other go to watch the video and only can learn subjects through videos. Parents supported us. Some children not have WhatsApp facility. To them, what I did was I called them personally and cleared the doubts. Zataya AI. The word itself sounds beautiful. Zero investment innovations for education initiatives. It's a true initiative scheme for all the teachers and the future children. Everybody may not know everything, but now I can say every teacher in India know every other teacher's teaching idea. How? Because of Zataya AI. Zataya AI training was so useful for me. Because of the training, I'm using a lot of ideas which I may not know in past and may future also. Through this training, I'm using a lot of simple ideas which can be used without any investment. That was so useful for me. Thank you ZII, Sri Aurobindo Society for the training. After ZII AI training, the innovative Pathshala training is a much needed for everyone because it's such a fruitful training. After the IP training, I am using the innovative Pathshala app in my regular classes. A Bloom's taxonomy is a really appreciable and applicable to the children. Especially The activities they given in the Innovative Pathshala app were so adorable. In the Innovative Pathshala training, I like the thing how we correlate the interdisciplinary skills and 21st century skills through the lesson plan. This was the most wonderful thing I have learned in the Innovative Pathshala training. My children also likes the way how I teach before the Innovative Pathshala training and after the Innovative Pathshala training. They like after me. So thank you Innovative Pathshala training for me. After Zataya AI training and Innovative Pathshala training, I feel myself a better teacher. My children are learning very happily nowadays. After the training, I used all the techniques and ideas in the classroom. My children involved themselves happily and learned successfully. Now, RMASP Government High School Karaikal Medu is a role model school. I can proudly say that because the ideas and techniques from all over the country were implemented in my school. Not only me, I conveyed about that Innovative Pathshala app to my co-teachers. They are also very happy and they are also very enthused to implement those ideas and techniques to their children. So my school is different from other schools. My classroom itself changed. All the ideas and techniques implemented were fully shown on the classroom wall. So if you come into the class, our class is a full of print-rich environment. The same thing happening in my whole school. So my school is a role model school. This is because of Zataya training and Innovative Pathshala training. It's my immense pleasure to convey my sincere gratitude to Mr. H. Karunagaran sir, who is a coordinator of Innovative Pathshala training. He never lost his dignity. He's such a sweet person and care about other teachers also. Next, I sincerely thank the Directorate of School Education, the Director of Samagraga Siksha Puducherry, ADPC Karaikal, Chief Educational Officer of Karaikal, Headmaster of RMASP Government High School Karaikal Medu, all the teachers who had participated with me in the IP training. Thank you, one and all.